and so the cleanup begins. But in order to clean up this, which is my goal, I have to help clean this. Otherwise, there's nowhere to put the stuff that I need to clean in there. Hopefully, I'm going to have some helpers soon. Delta said she's going to come, but I could really do with some others. And now I don't have phone signal or Wi-Fi. So I'm just hoping that everyone picks up on my vibes. I am in Mullumbimby after all. Many hands make light. And then Alan the handyman has fashioned these super mud sweepers. And they're making really good job of cleaning up all this mess. And then I've got some helpers in the office. Going to see if I can clean those. Here are my helpers in the office. Say hi! Thank you! Wow, it's got all the carpet up. Well, sorry, we need to get the carpet up. We've got all our stuff out. Got these busy beavers still working. Yeah. Look at that.